Okay, Claude, can you run the video that you just generated for me?
Every video you're seeing right now was made just by prompting Claude. Claude has a brand new skill, and with it, people are using it to create motion graphics, animations, product demos, vertical video, YouTube videos, and complete presentations just with a basic prompt. In this video, I'll break down how to get started with Claude for video in 3 levels. Level 1, setting up and connecting skills. Level 2, making videos with your own design system. And third, adding audio plus voiceovers and stitching multiple clips together to make a full video. Stick with me because I'll show you how Claude is literally coding video and the just-released skill that unlocked it. Now, what is Claude Code? Think of it like a robot that writes computer code for you, just by asking it. And skills? Those are like special power-ups, like giving Claude the ability to create complex stuff like videos just by telling it what you want.
Okay, I'll stop it there. That wasn't edited in Premiere or After Effects. That was Claude Code with Remotion, powered by the new Opus 4.6 model. Now, let me break down exactly how you can do this in 3 levels, starting with Level 1, getting set up. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open up Google and search for Claude for Desktop. It should be like the first result. So we'll just click on it. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see the download for Mac and Windows. I'm using Windows, so just click on this and follow the installation steps. Once you've completed the installation and logged into your Anthropic account, you should get your Claude Desktop app up and running. Now, you can see here I'm on Chat at the top. What we want to do is toggle over to Code. Now, once we're in Claude Code, there's a few things we need to do. The first thing I'm going to do is change this from Ask to Code. Then I'm going to check the model. You can see we're on Opus 4.6, which is the new one. Next, we want to have a folder to work in. So I've just created this folder called Claude, and then I might actually create a subfolder called Claude Video. Now, this is important because everything we install and what Claude will have access to in terms of Claude Desktop will be constrained to this folder, and then other permissions we give it like skills, tools, and access to the web. Next, we're going to head to this website called remotion.dev, and this is the skill that we're going to give Claude. Now, before we prompt Claude to set itself up with Remotion, we just need to make sure we have Node.js running on our machine. So if you don't have it, just head to nodejs.org and install it. I know there are a few instructions to get started here, and if you get lost, you can always head to this document here, which is in my Online Ninja community. It's got all the steps and a few tips for using Remotion as well. So I already have Node installed, so I'm just going to copy this prompt here, head over to Claude Desktop. Now I'm just going to say add the Remotion skill with that command and update the Claude Markdown document such that when I request video generation, this skill is used. Now, during the setup, you're going to be asked about what kind of template you want to use. Select blank. Okay, so Remotion is now connected and Claude has that skill. So that's level 1 pretty much done. We're set up and ready to go. So moving on to level 2, we can now start creating videos. Let's say you want to generate a video to provide an overview of a product or a service that you have on a website. So for example, I've got my website here. I can ask Claude to do this now. The first thing I'm going to ask Claude to do, though, is to actually review this website and understand the style and theme, so we have our own design guide for when we generate content around this site. So I've just prompted Claude Code here, review this website and create a design system aligned with the website and update the Claude.markdown document file for future reference. And you can see Claude Code saying it's going to review the site and create a comprehensive design system. So that's cool. Let it go and we'll come back. Now, during this process, Claude Code is asking me to sign in with Claude for Chrome, which is a Chrome extension, which speeds up the process. So I'm just going to authorize this. So that process has finished and Claude has given us a summary of what it's actually done. So it reviewed the website, it has generated a comprehensive design system for the site, and it's also updated the Claude.md document. And we can take a look at this, and this is what Claude will refer to when we're working in this project if we want to generate a video using that website's style and theme. So this is the Claude.md document, and at the top you can see it's got the details around remotion, so it knows if we create a video, it uses remotion. But if we go down a little bit, you can see here from line 79, it talks about the design system for the Business Accelerator brand and has all the details. So let's test it out. Now, back over in school in the prompts used in video file, I've got the prompts that I'm going to use here. So if you want to copy them and use something similar, you can. So I'm just going to copy this first one. And basically what I'm asking is create a 10 to 20 second video of my business and use the exact styling and theme of the website that explains the offer and the benefits. So in Claude, I'll just paste it in and hit go. The file is ready to take a look at. Let's press play and see what happens. Now, at the moment, you can see it's rendered it out. It's aligned with the website, but there is no sound. So our next step will be to add a voice overlay, but this looks really good. All right, we can tick off level 1, getting started. Level 2, we've created a video. Now we move to level 3. We want to add audio overlay and add any effects we might want, and also stitch multiple videos together. All right, so to add the voiceover is pretty easy, but there's a little bit of setup required. The first thing we're going to do is go to Key AI and grab an API key. Now, once you have an account, just go to API keys on the left, and then you can create a new key. And as you can see here, I've created a couple, and one's just called Claude Video. So we just want to copy that. Now, this next step is optional. You can actually ask Claude Code to set up Key AI with 11 Labs, but it can be a bit tricky. If you want to shortcut the process, head to the Online Ninja School again to the resources and go to the Claude.md document, and you'll find this section for voiceover. Just copy the entire section and paste it into the Claude Code terminal and ask it to update your MD document with this information. Then what we want to do is paste in the API key that we got from Key AI. So I've just pasted that in, and now I'll let it update it, and then I will add the API key. Okay, so that's all done. Our next prompt here to get our voiceover is I've got add a male voiceover to the video that we generated and ensure the words align with the components as they are rendered. This is critical. So what's going to happen now is Claude Code's going to make a request to Key AI. It's going to find 11 labs. It's going to generate a script that aligns with the video, words that were rendered out on the screen, and return it, compile it, and we can view it. So let's do it. So the voiceover has finished, and Claude has opened this up in a browser, so we can actually check the entire video, including the audio. We can see the segments, we can see the audio file, all the sequences. So let's hit play and see what it came up with.
Build a YouTube channel that blows up your business. 4 proven systems: niche and packaging, production, growth, monetization, 22 playbooks, weekly live sessions, direct access. Join the Academy today.
All right, so that's pretty cool. The next thing we want to do is actually generate another clip so I can demonstrate how you can join multiple videos together and how easy it is. So what I'm going to do is ask Claude to generate a short video around the bonuses that are included with this offer. Now, Claude took a screenshot of this earlier, so if I ask it to create a video around these bonuses, it should be able to do it. We can check it out. Now it has the Key AI information. It will automatically add the voiceover without even asking, and then we can join it up. So back over in school, I'm just going to take a copy of the prompt, add it into Claude, and go. Now, fast forward a minute or two, that's all done. We can take a look. So it's generated this bonus clip for us.
Plus 2 bonuses included free: the 20K views zero subsystem, SOP, checklist, and fast lane to your first viral video, and free access to My Studio app, valued at $1,200, guiding you from ideation to publish.
Now, that is pretty cool. The next step, we're going to join our first video to this video for a complete video into an MP4 that we can do whatever we want with. Now, stitching multiple clips together that have been produced within the one project is crazy easy. The only thing you need to do is prompt Claude Code with something like this. Basically combine video 1, video 2, etc. into one video and render it as an MP4. When it finishes, it'll tell you which folder it's located in, and it'll also open up the local server so you can preview it, review it, edit it if you need to. All right, I ran the prompt and it's combined the videos. It is super easy. You're unlikely to run into any problem. This was the first video we did. This is the second one, and this is the combined one.
Build a YouTube channel that blows up your business. 4 proven systems: niche and packaging, production, growth, monetization, 22 playbooks, weekly live sessions, direct access. Join the Academy today.
Now here's the join.
Plus 2 bonuses included free.
Couple of things you want to take note of. If you want to edit and change your video, it is super easy. What I do is I take note of these frames, and this is the frames you can quote. So if I wanted to change it, I'll go back to the start.
Build a YouTube channel that blows.
So if I wanted to change, say, this component for business owners to something else like for creators, I would just say to Claude Code, from frame 0,
Build a YouTube channel that blows up your business.
to frame around 84, which you can see here, change the component and you describe it and it will change it out. So we can do that so you can see how easy it is to edit the videos you've created. So just back in Claude using plain text, I've just added the prompt in the combined video from frame 0 to 80. Can you update the for business owners text to for content creator, actually creators. There we go. We'll run this and have a look. Now that process is finished, so we should have an updated component. Now you can see that I've actually had to hit restart here. You might find this sometimes that when you go to look at it on the web browser, it stops. So you just need to prompt Claude to restart the server. And you can see here it says the server is up and running on port 3002. So we can take a look at that. So just opened up the server and you can see this is the combined one. Now if I hit play on this, we should have a component that's changed from YouTube for business to YouTube for creators.
Build a YouTube channel that blows up your business.
If I go back a bit, so yeah, that component's been updated. So you can do any updates you want, just nominate the frames, that's how I've found it the easiest, and describe what you'd like changed, whether it's a design, a color, a component, realignment of text, whatever it is, Claude can handle it. And particularly Opus 4.6, it's fantastic and it's super quick. I hope you got a bit of value from the video. Catch you in the next one.